Hi guys, today I want to do a really quick video on how to repair a radiator for, say, a mini Moto. Now this is an all brass Chinese mini Moto radiator. It's originally off my 911 replica. It was the only part of the bike, apart from the frame, that was still Chinese. Everything else was Polini or Molossi or etc. Now at the moment I'm running a GRC radiator, but require something for a spare. So this little bit snapped off at the bottom, so I'm going to clean all this up, run some solder around, and hopefully that'll be good enough to get me back on the bike. So let's crack on with that. I've got the other camera set up so you can see what I'm doing, and hopefully it'll work. Right, so first thing I've done quickly is I've cleaned up the area where I'm going to be soldering it. And as you can see, there's a nice big crack that runs all the way around the outside, and that's where all the water's been leaking from. So next thing I want to do is grab a blowtorch. This is just a cheap one from Maplin. It takes butane gas and it works really well. Now, let's turn that back off. I got some quite big, I'm hoping this is flux core solder. I just found it in a cupboard. I don't know if it's any good, but we'll give it a go. If not, it looks flux cored. We'll soon give it a go. If not, I have some more I could use. And the whole idea of this is just to heat up the area and solder it in place. So there we have it, starting to be soldered on. I mean, it's got its strength back, even though it's still very hot. It's no longer loose at all. And that should hold pressure now. Now it still feels a little bit soft in certain areas, so I'm going to go over again and just do a little bit of extra soldering. I just want to find some slightly different solder. I'll just go around and use this with a bit more flux to get in there. Better. So there we have our soldered up join on the rad. Just need to wait for that to cool down. Letting it cool, if you suddenly submerge that in water, it's going to rapidly contract and probably cause the solder to disintegrate. So I'll let that cool down nice and slowly on its own accord. Once that's done, I'm going to stick a pipe on the end with a nut and bolt in the end. Stick a pipe in the end with a bolt in the end. Do the same for one of the others. Put a hose on one, fill it up with water, and see if there's any leaks. If it's not leaking, then I'm going to bolt it straight back on the bike, or rather stick it in my spare fin, so I can use it another time. So that's the radiator soldered up. It's pretty well done actually, a lot better than I was expecting it to be. I'm going to go give it a test now and just finalise any bits if it is leaking. But other than that, ready to go back in my spares box, ready to go mini Moto racing this winter. If you want to see any more videos like this, hit subscribe, like the video, you know, all that jazz. Also see the link in the description for my website and Twitter that I've only just got access to. So I'll just be posting on there every now and again when I upload new videos, etc. So thank you for watching, and I hope you find it useful. Bye bye.